I thought salespeople were supposed to give the customers options to work with.
Since I hadn't had my cherry popped with an occupation yet, my interviewer gave me some pieces of advice to work with if I'm ever in a position to be interviewed again.
Yeah, what's that?
Never compromise. In order to get somewhere in life, you gotta be cutthroat and unforgiving. If you show even the slightest hint of mercy, those that have none will chew you up and shit you out.
Dude, you were only applying for a shitty entry-level position in an electronics store, not a fucking Fortune 500 company.
I'm not making this shit up, that's what the guy told me to my face.
So, since you gave the customer options, and he made a decision from that, which resulted in a sale, your potential boss doesn't hire you because you weren't aggressive enough and didn't initially push for the store's more overly priced bullshit?
That sums it up.